Not all free apps are created equal. In fact, some do more harm than good. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 free apps you should never install on your computer. For each of these apps, we'll explain why they're best avoided and, most importantly, provide you with safer alternatives that won't compromise your system's security or performance. So, let's dive in. Let's start with uTorrent, a program that many people trust. However, it has a hidden issue. In 2015, uTorrent faced backlash for secretly including a cryptocurrency miner called Epic Scale. What's concerning is that many users had no idea this hidden program was quietly using their computer's resources to benefit the company's profits. If you're looking for a trustworthy torrent client without these underhanded practices and annoying ads, we strongly suggest trying out qBitTorrent. It's not only free and open source, but also comes without any extra unwanted stuff. Up next is Hola VPN, a popular but questionable freemium service used for bypassing geoblocks. Despite its popularity and widespread availability, Hola VPN has landed on CloudWard's list of the worst free VPN services, with unsettling allegations against one of its co-founders. What's confirmed is that Hola logs user data, some of which is shared with partners and third parties. When using Hola VPN, you share your computer's resources unless you upgrade to the premium plan. For a trustworthy free alternative, consider Proton VPN's free edition. They don't log your data, display no ads, and impose no data limits. Adblock Plus, a well-known Chrome and Firefox extension, blocks ads in your web browser. However, it has allowed companies to pay for unblocking their ads, including big names like Microsoft and Amazon. While this can be changed in settings, many users don't know how. Adblock Plus even runs its ad network, which some find problematic. For a better free alternative, uBlock Origin is highly efficient and works with Chrome, Firefox, and Chromium-based browsers without allowing companies to pay for ads to be shown. Once a trusted utility for clearing unwanted files and invalid registry items, CCleaner has had its share of problems over the years. It's been known to install programs without user consent and integrate an irremovable data collection module. Although some issues have been addressed, recent reports indicate that uninstalling CCleaner can inadvertently remove other programs, making it a risky choice. We no longer recommend using CCleaner or similar cleaning utilities. Truth be told, most of them don't live up to their promises, and modern built-in tools do a fine job without the need for third-party software on both macOS and Windows. LastPass, a widely used password manager with both free and paid plans, enables users to store and manage their passwords across various platforms. However, LastPass has faced multiple issues in recent years, including a significant data breach in August 2022, with a hacker stealing unencrypted customer data. In December of the same year, another breach was revealed. These security lapses raise concerns about LastPass's ability to safeguard user information. Notably, a breach in September was potentially connected to cryptocurrency heists, with over $35 million stolen from 150 victims since December 2022. For a more reliable free password manager, consider Bitwarden or the popular open-source alternative, KeePass. Before we continue with our list of apps you should never install on your computer, let us introduce today's sponsor, iMyPhone VoxBox. It's a free AI voice generator and voice cloning tool with some amazing features. With iMyPhone VoxBox, you get access to over 3,200 realistic text-to-speech voices in 46+ languages. You can create instant, 99% accurate real human voices through AI voice cloning. It's perfect for content creators looking for customized, lifelike AI voices. What's more, iMyPhone VoxBox supports multiple studio-quality audio formats, including MP3 and WAV. It's affordable, user-friendly, lightning-fast, and completely secure. For those of you who want to try it out, we've included a link to their website in the video description below. If you decide to use that link, it not only helps you get started with this fantastic tool, but also supports us in making more informative content in the future. We greatly appreciate your support. Now that we've introduced our fantastic sponsor, let's continue with the rest of the listing. WinRAR is a file compression and extraction tool for Windows that's been around since 1995. It offers a 40-day free trial, but after that, it keeps reminding you to upgrade. That's why we suggest looking for better free alternatives without those annoying upgrade messages. One tool we've been using for years is 7-Zip. It's free, open source, and does the job without any fuss. For viewing PDF files on your computer, you might think of Adobe Acrobat Reader as a free option. However, it's quite bloated, slow to open PDFs, and sometimes tricks users into installing unwanted software like McAfee Security Scan Plus. Instead, we recommend trying Foxit PDF Reader as a great and faster free alternative. It's lightweight, loads PDFs swiftly, and offers useful features for form filling, signing, and annotating your PDFs. Lightshot, available for both Windows and Mac OS, is a quick and simple screenshot tool. However, it comes with a security risk, especially when handling personal data. It automatically sends your captures to their cloud storage, where you have no control over your data. If you're on Mac OS, the built-in screenshot tool is a safer choice. For Windows users, the built-in snipping tool works well, or you can try our preferred third-party option, ShareX. It stores your screenshots locally on your computer, not in the cloud. If you're using Internet Explorer, it's time to uninstall it. It's no longer supported, and even before that, it had stability and security problems. There are plenty of excellent browsers available. If you prefer the Microsoft ecosystem, consider using Microsoft Edge. It offers enhanced privacy, security, and numerous useful features. If you're a Windows user and not on Windows 10 or 11, your system no longer gets security updates, making it vulnerable to new threats. For example, Windows 7 support ended on January 14, 2020, and Windows 8.1 support ended on January 10, 2023. If you're still using these, it's time to upgrade or consider a new computer. Alternatively, if you want to move away from Windows, you can try one of the many free Linux distributions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the 10 free apps you should steer clear of. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any other apps to add to the list or alternative recommendations, please share them in the comments below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Your feedback is valuable, and we'll see you in the next one.